It's in. We got it. It's here. So, interesting thing. I heard that there was a code update for this machine that came out in December 2022, if I remember. And part of the code update allowed you to just bowl in the little bowling alley below the playfield. So after we had ordered this, I had looked to see what's that like, what's that all about. There wasn't a single video on what they called the bowling challenge, Big Lebowski bowling challenge. I couldn't find a single video on it. So last night we brought this in, we set it up, we fired it up, we played it for a while, and then I was like, I got to see this bowling thing. And it's pretty cool. But I thought I would make a video for people who are like me, that's like, what's this bowling challenge thing? Because there's no videos on it. So let's have a look. I'll show you how to get into it and how it actually works. Okay, so when this is in free play mode, and I don't know if it does this in coin drop mode or not, I'll have to test it. But in free play mode, while it's just in a track and everything, if you hold both flipper buttons down at the same time, you get this screen. So you can press the start button to play a regular game, and you scroll using the left and right buttons. You can play a tournament game. You can do the bowling challenge, which is 10 frames. Or you can do a one-ball wizard mode and listen to the music. Those are the things you can do with it. So we'll go into the bowling challenge, and you hit the start button. So there's our little bowling alley. And when you want to launch the ball, you push launch ball.
Man, it really tied the room together.
I don't roll on Shabbos. Strike. Fully game smoking. Game over.
Okay, so there you go. Super quick video on the Big Lebowski Bowling Challenge, how to get into it, what it's like, how to play it. It's kind of cool. I probably won't play it a whole lot, but it's kind of fun to have it there. Anyway, so that's all I wanted to do the video on. Yeah, I guess that's it. All right, thanks for watching.